Welcome to Sunshine News and Vibes, your voice in politics, Africa, and the diaspora.
So, Sunshine News and Vibes in any media opportunity from fame to shame any debre or micro Ghana any area safanina. Say, I share Ghana CC the state temperature of mine woman. Are who be brave if you say abaya ko abaya ba abaya ko na abaya ba. Omuna omode initiative and also omode omu policy in eba. Say omo ye campaigner omode omu sem anase nyoma omo pese omode omine faso kwan omo pese omode omine faso etudwa dodo na afa no manifesto omo nyoma pese omode initiate anase omode ba ominim omode tudwa na ye hwe abanya akofiti Kwame Nkrumah time ba besi na senka aban bia ba oyede anase otoa the previous government no ayeso a nka Ghana yakoye nimpa but esan ya dream money ne ya pesimi nkumunya ya kro no ninti obi eba opese ode ne de eyeden eba nti imagine say enioma oman peni dada wenyan baby call Rollins eyeye na ofri akunya so no John Ejekum Kufuor na beto aso nti imagine say John Ejekum Kufuor baaye no enioma Rollins yeye no wentumi anya nwie na nka we je gu ho no so initiate ni dia na say was starting a dia nti senka hospital na we je gu ho na afi ono so akwakotu from a starting a day. Say a share from JJ Rollins time. ABC on my penny Kufuor time. And you are Rollins here, no. Na do na ye on my penny Kufuor and experience half projects from the previous government. NDC. The first NDC. On my penny Kufuor ambe to sa uncompleted story buildings ni bi anase uncompleted build projects ni bi on my penny Kufuor an sheda ambe to be sa if you say na previous government NDC na it was PNDC NDC inti sa time no they make sure say sanyoma say a hospital say ya kwan say a dance no na dodo na ye enioma ya enjoy from the PNDC NDC. Now, Oman Penny Kufuor buy no beto aso. Ema sa time na Ghana ye di huhu enioma bebree. Na o started affordable houses. O initiate ye o started say OCC or hospitals ne markets obehwe ekwan na wa started ye. O ye bia na ebi nso wo ho a wentumi anwie na change of government den e baye. Now from Oman Penny Kufuor time eba na yehwe ye Oman Penny for and as a government ababe from Oman Penny Kufuor time ebe na Oman Penny Kufuor Oman Penny Atamos wenyan baby call afi Oman Penny dada no Oman Penny John Mahama. Yes, the first time of John Mahama came after the late Atamos onyan baby call ye ena Oman Penny dada wono so wetwam Nana Akufo-Addo ono so ebedi ni 8 years. Then comes another term for President Mahama babedia isia osisu se wo hwe nkofo yi a mebobo yi a I think 4 omo manifesto omo projects omo de ba ya omo nwie no metumi aka se dodo na satama ye ka se bebregu nrem fiti Oman Penny Kufuor time eba President Atamos time, then first John Mahama, then Nana Akufo-Addo, then second Mahama. Sankofo na ya mabuboyi. I think Atamos na went to me endim retenten and untino untumi nka eno ho asem bebre. But then when we are talking about politics and governance, you can, take it away because our ni predecessor and also free hono obedi adia otoaso eno nti no untumi nyi anu mfrim ye hwe sa nkofo nan ya yabobodin a ena me no kase omo dwumedi a omo ye no bebre wonwrem na emom obi aba o try so best start ne die me busa say we ye de chechire man a President Mahama ba ye o de 24-hour economy ena ode eto Ghana for trim say ode ba be di dwuma efa ye dwedie anase omani mpuntuo say ye dwuma sem factories ne ye dwedie nsem ya 24-hour economy ifri ho a obe make sure say the government institutions ne private institutions omo ye dwuma 12 hours anase 8 hours no he's going to expand the working periodic time for more employers or more employees to also enjoy into say first nanka ye day pay say or the another 12 hours which is the night shift na ye 24 then come 24-hour economy omo ba ye omo akonim kakra 2 years money ye share dey 24-hour economy na omo de ba ye na ye hwa hwese bibi fufuro anase bibi be free mu aiden aba no man no I enjoy that 24-hour economy which they talked about before Ghanaians voting for them before on my be abekoso no ejina enwoma bi te say hospitals anase yapomudin honsem enwoma bi te say ye dwedie ehonsem ye trade industry businesses whatever and you may be to say your security, and you may be to say your suku education. To me, you say your my way, and free mu say opesa my koso, and now ubu my ya. To me, you say your my way, and yet in free mu. From Sanko for ya, mabupo mudin na say yemfa. Na osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah enka ho fitina breso ebe na wo hwe ye education system na ensisa ye bia nheden emai the only 2 times or the only 2 governments omo ba ya omo yes ansisa no ye beto me beto GHS now before then it was that yes form na omo ye mame mo ne ye papa mo those days no mo ye 6 formers and no ye the omo de started Ghana just after independence then emu esesa kakra because na ehia say esesa ye ba intusha esesa ya e ba ye fiti sa time no ebesi ena me no kase and the dates 18th August 2026. Oshe Satamia Ghanaian independence. I started education mu. Oshe your system sasses formers ya besine. Saya aba our education system I make impacts. Obvious. I mean, the broad way changes are about our education system. No, I am not talking about curriculum. I am not talking about changing subject or whatever. I am talking about say your education system. No, yes, some baby. Na you who say a day emphaso papa yeden aba. I broad. A bit to say. Tamana ya mame no ya papa mo etros access form ne A level ni O level no esi saye ba mu no e bi ni say PNDC introduce JSS, that's Junior Secondary School, in 1st August 1987. 1st September 1987. The PNDC introduced the JSS, Junior Secondary School. That was the first time the education system no enjoy that changes. Mebu no you started say you enjoy such changes no. And that was the first time in society by education system utumi say na na but omode ye sa JSS at that time during the PNDC law, President J.J. Rawlings, may he so rest in peace, on a time and I'll introduce you JSS. Nti Osha Botaya or the year Sa JSS na Rawlings in J and San Rejuma pa. And until you introduce you Sa JSS, he say Obama a membuno I started in San Rejuma eho and sana uvia wait to me after that. Say obeko technical school and I say obeto aso akọ senior high school na wakọ to additional so enuti JSS at that time no now you will be to say pre-technical, you will be to say vocational skills. In fact, we were enjoying that time. Me call JSS no na you enjoy pa even though that time na you enti your man see, but the fact say yakwa yi bibi to say thrower ababe chrewo no you feel say like you are also you are doing something. I mean say we pre-technical teacher that action man and I say or that practical man to the be or ultimate the thrower ba na or the ade ya mason for AC diamond susui na wo de so a bit say ye the plier na just say it was so nice at that time. So na bia ya dwimu that technical side ho and until now kon no anasa na wonim the person we school we kra because you seeing those kind of tools around you no, you have some mentality or you start to create some vacuum in your mind. Say oh in here the word they may cry yeah funny. I can also learn something in future no make me edia imejuma enunti ye hwa ye mu bebre no ye started say ye call technical school no we realize from JHS and ye starting who sadie na ye dey call technical school fine nti wo hwa Rawlings ne botaye ode year sa JSS no ni kase pa ne ensano juma say best start every sa time if sa ho no JHS no JSS no de be the fundamental side I de be hu yensano juma bibia e be kwa kodu after no ensisaya ba ko esan ba ye ensisaya e ba the first one amaka yo PNDC time ena omode JSS eye den e ba ye emudodo na nso ye de enye bi koye wo hwa ensisaya ba ko a esan ba ye eye 2007. Now these changes did not amfa obi beka say the practical amfa practical yibia ama beka de ne e won ho nemom the changes that occurred in 2007 was that the name JSS, which is Junior Secondary School, was being changed from from Junior High School, Junior Secondary School to JHS, Junior High School. That was the second changes. The education system, no, from Kwame Nkrumah time up to now. I'm not talking about the curriculum, changing the curriculum or adding up those kind of things. So I am talking about the practical changes. Or to me okay manipa to say from say me man analysis no from PNDC omo ehwe ya na ye maame no ye papa mo tro sa O level no A level no and omo de JSS no de omo introduce ba ye ɛna ɔmo ɛsesa saa nneɛma no nti JSS aboa paa ɛyɛ obvious wontumi nka nkyerɛ me sɛ ɛmmoayɛ. Now the second changes are from that time no from September 1st 1987 PNDC de baayɛ 50 that time na aba no nsesa yɛ by education system nim until 2007 abra John Ejokum Kufuor esi so na nsesa yɛ Ghana for pɛ education system mu the only changes yɛnyaayɛ ɛne sɛ ɔsesa from JSS to JHS oyi S baako firi hɔ na ɔde H baako firi hɔ ɛde hyɛ hɔ. That was the changes. Osha Ghana yɛdi ɛho abro menka sɛ some time to come because the time we are getting closer to the time yɛbɛn mmerɛ no gyina hɔ na yɛbɛn mmerɛ no na wohwɛ aka ketewa bi na Ghana apem ɛfiri sɛ yɛhwɛ de wo awiase kɔ ayɛ na awerɛho sometimes you wouldn't know what ebia obi betra social media so oka in terms of nneɛma bi say wiase komirika na Ghana ye wechire enu nti yɛhwɛ nneɛma yie yɛntoto nneɛma yie ebi wɔ hɔ a wonte ase efi sɛ ebia na sɛbe unya akonya bi ema untu kwan firi ɔman Ghana mu nkɔkro foforo so nkɔhwɛɛ especially in bi te sɛ Asia man mu in bi te sɛ Europe man mu in bi te sɛ America in bi te sɛ Australia in bi te sɛ Canada mu I mean sɛ untu kwan free ɔman Ghana mu a ayɛ na sansɛm no yɛka unhyɛ daa ɛnti aseɛ because of the unhu yɛnti menua a wohwɛ me sɛ yɛhwɛ de wo a ewiase kɔ na ɛna me no kasa yi yɛhwɛ yɛ JHS no ebi pictures ni bi na ɛda hɔ yɛ we current JHS building a nipa daseni ɛyɛ den ekom kusua adeɛ ɛna me no kasa yi a yɛse yɛwɔ AI system ne computer say kra de say free computerized world ni say your AI I obi to me ema AI etro love letter na ma no said de wo nti enemre mu a me ne wo kase yi na ye hwe de wo a ewiase true mi kase obekwa akoto ne you can say I mean ewiase komirika yɛhwɛ school yɛ da hɔ yi sɛdeɛ na ewiase tie na ohwɛ school a nipa daseni tumi kom kosua deɛ areho Ghana yɛbɔ yɛ ho abro school junior high school yenuanom ketewa ekom kosua deɛ yebini yanhwɛ picture na ebini o we mu na omutumi kom na omutumi kosua mu ade yes o hwɛ school na half hangi ho na half nso esi asase tra so we current classroom block pa ebini na yakase Ghana yedi ho abra aya na bibre na enti ase now yɛhwɛ deɛ wɔ ha sɛ menewo ɛhwɛ de wa meka sɛ ewiase kɔ a before obeti ase no ɛte sɛ wankasa we decide sɛ obeti enwome bi ase na yempanifoɔ no ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔmonimo they know sɛ the way wiase kɔ no ya divert you see ya ewiase kɔ sei ena yen no we are going the same direction but yaba be di echire nti before yen yebe aya na reho hwe oman bi to say Japan eye car bi to say Toyota ne Nissan mo ne Suzuki mo ne ehonioma na ohwa according to research no Japan omo preschool yaka preschool abibi ti say Ghana ebeka say primary omo primary school no every 2 months bia omo eco workshop inti ohwe company bi ti say Toyota according to research no every eyi bia 2 months bia Toyota for ewo workshops ewo country nim I mean almost see in the region the area or whatever na e kan hye no ho say 2 months bia eye preschools no beko workshop na omo moniji automobile ho no omo akwa akosua de ewo eho nti ohwe mfoni a anase video a etwegu a eye school ni akola sabio wakọ na omo akọ workshop na omo eye adwuma. I mean, you can see how lovely this thing is looking. Oh yeah, enunti ubusa ho say sa picture ya me yi kire mu yi efa yesuku ho yesuku dan ho se akola be ko school na enemremo na ote sa school dan bi ti se we mu na osua de enemremo ame no kase compare this to this nkola omosua de a onua obi nka nkire wo se enyame na meka kire wo eye infoni ye etwegu na beka kire se indeed ye wo negative 85 in a wiase ewo positive 90. Ghana wemo oma musua de wo haye obi beka se wemu ye nyame be kirefo sankofo ye osua de wo sa school dan wemu wo de hwe wo wemu ye nyame be kirefo ina baby ti se video ya na me yi kire wo yi omo nso ye wemu ye nyame aye wiefo. I mean nyansa ni nimdi ya nyame de ma omo no eno no mu yusu ba ye no mu ye no na ye nyame be still a ye buse nyame se nyame die na wo dia ma ye no school dan we mu na obeko eno ti de bia no yen be depend e wo sa nkola we mu ho akola was okosa school dan we mu akola okosa school dan we mu de bia no be depend e wo akola okọ workshop Jamaica no moti ase me say akola okọ school dan we mu kosua de enye dua na mebo we eye broni beka se ade a ya chechira to ho ye nananom na chechira to ho because ye nananom ntumi nhihye anya nhihye ye papa e ma ye nya saa ne omani bi enuti akola okọ saa school dan we mu oba benyi e depende e wo akola owo saa workshop we na obi beka se dependence na make no na depending na make no dia na me pa kire ye no de bia no ye be crackers efiti san kola we mu ho na ya ba betwi yinya ye ho a kasa ebi wa chese wa fa no te se o ya de o sakra o jira ho no sana kono o ya de o de jineni inti akola at this age near the nako workshop na o ye adwuma o sunya enu ti bisa ho se sa nkola we mo mugu sa dan we mu wo tumi pie free roofing ne so ni apamumu na se mun kofie because ye hu wo dan ne so ti mun kofie ade chiama ba school na sa nkola we mu almost go workshop almost suade Unia aya ye trust an your way ba. And yes, sir, ye near you. Aya na aya rehosem amaye. Sometimes ye yent me honshe. So the only thing that you can do is to sometimes smile, because okay say oh fano oh tria kumwa emotionally no urebe ho bebre say ye hwe san kola omoko school dan we mu obenyia do ni mpani fie so at the age of ebia 18 ekwa wabie saaje HSC no akọ SS wakọ akoye eyi course kese business accounting whatever na owie ye wentumi anko university na omunso omunya akwan anasa akonya ko university no omunso akobie wie now esan say oman no hihye ya papa bie ni munti ye time ya spend was that dan we mu na echi no ye time ya spend e was that dan we mu na echi emumba bo subject who here na ye de ma ya ye subject bi wo who here religious and moral. Who is Allah? Who is God? Well, upon your time, I be wasting 100 years. No, we are. Some kola we do muye. Yes, some press. You be come krumu ho. Ni akwa ya pra ejuma. Intusha. Say. We are omuye omuwo yemfani se JHSO nkola na omuye nti you can imagine the time or no this yes way anytime we school also ye at the end of the day no and at the end of the course or whatever no all time no be wasted na ono time no bibi papa be free maba na bibi na be free maba no eno na wo te uman mu a wonye sika no obekra obeto ye catch the Minister of Education say yes realm oman no enye nipa ba akodia o enye nipa ba akodia ye kasa aya muntie yen ye kasa timemufo kasa aya muntie o ena before mo beye ensesaye wo mining no eni diemu the various ministries se mo implement bibia yes remo eni diemu aya mo consult kakra aya mo consultation kakra Parliament se mo ba implementing law and say mo ba yes sir yes ni no na aya mo consult timemufu ne kakra minim consultation dudua Ministry of Education under President Mahama ne teni minim Honorable Haruna Idrisu. Minim consultation omu ya omu kire nkola ne Chinese language. Sase mi yaka how obi se private schools na omo kwan na omu kire Chinese language. Why Chinese language in Ghana? Inti minister, ohwe video ye dasa de isua. Inti mo ntumi anya workshop mpo. Man kola ise. Ghana ye pekas pa. Enunti instead of say ye babe implement Chinese language no. ye implement saa nneɛma wei na nka mo de mo nya ne sɛ companies ɛwɔ Ghana, the number of automobile companies ɛwɔ Ghana ɛdɔɔso kakra anka mo ne ɔmo bɛkɔ agreement na ɔmo ahwɛ ebiebie workshops bi ama nkɔlaa yi sɛ akɔlaa bi a companies automobile companies are more Ghana before mo be establish mo workshop ɛwɔ Ghana no mo fanto mo tiri mo sɛ yɛn nkɔlaa na ɔmo ba no we want you people to help them ɛno nti at least every month biara some schools will come under you for training na mo ne ɔmo nya saa agreement yi nanka ye nuanom ketewa yi anase ye mbeyi a ɔmo beyi ɔmo kɔ workshop ha esan say those companies are having the big machines no the technology no sɛ nkɔlaa yi kɔhu saa ne ɔmo yi wɔ workshop a ayɛ a ɔmo kɔndɔ sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ biribi saa I mean ɔmo bɛsua ɔmo de bɛyɛ adwuma companies ɛwɔ Ghana yɛni koraa yɛwɔ VW wɔ hɔ Volkswagen Ghana operate a major assemble plant in Ghana asatme na ɔkasa yi yɛwɔ Kantanka Automobile Group Ghana's homegrown local auto manufacturer and assembly Kantanka yɛn papa sɛ bi wɔnya ne baby kɔ ɔno nso wɔ automobile company ɔmo assembly cars ɛwɔ hɔ yɛwɔ Toyota Tusho Manufacturing Ghana TTMG assembles Toyota and Suzuki vehicles locally through CFAO Mobility ɛno nso wɔ hɔ ɔmo ba Ghana akyɛ yie yɛwɔ biribi te sɛ Nissan company nso ba Ghana sɛbe akyɛ yie kakra assembles vehicle through local joint partnership ɛna yɛwɔ ebi te sɛ Sino-Truck Zonda Tech Ghana assembles heavy duty trucks and commercial vehicles. Yɛwɔ Hyundai Kia established local assembly framework and production line. Saa nneɛma wei na ɛwɔ hɔ a companies wɔ hɔ a yɛbɛtumi ne ɔmo akɔ agreement na yɛmbɛyi a sɛbe yɛsɛ ɔmo nsua Chinese language yi nka yɛma ɔmo enjoy Chinese language yi sua na adwene a nkɔmo de bɛsua saa Chinese language yi yɛma ɔmo ɛmfa ɛnkɔ workshop and start it like this na ɔmo tumi enya ɔdɔ ne pepa sɛ obetumi de ne nsa ayɛ adwuma na technology na yɛde ɔmo started de ɛyɛ saa nneɛma wei no ɛyɛ na ɛfɛ ɛno nti me ka kyerɛ sɛ nkankɔla yi kɔ workshop hɔ ɛkɔhu a nkobi a ɔwɔ adwene sɛ menya mɛyɛ lawyer no because of the technological system na wakɔkɔhu wɔ ebia Suzuki company ebia Toyota company ebia Kantanka company wakɔkɔhu saa machines there that technological system no na adwene bɛba so sɛ oh ɛne ɛsɛ doctor maanya krampa metumi ayɛ wei metumi ayɛ mechanical engineer metumi ayɛ mechanical engineer na yɛn deɛ na kwakɔyɛ te sɛ office ranko a ɛno nti akɔla bia ɔbɛbusa na ɔse mɛ lawyer mɛ doctor mɛ say yɛma sɛbe ɔmo graduate from university emu ahe na ya every year bia yɛnya ɔmo sɛ ɔmbɛyɛ lawyers ne doctors dodoɔ na so ɛpɛ officer tena ɛsiane sɛ ɔmo anya akoma no ɔmo anya ɛkwan no ɔmo anya chance na ma yɛamfa ɔmo yɛ introduce bibi te sɛ wei ɛwɔ ma brabom sɛ yɛ na nka yɛ mu bi sei yɛwɔ JSS at that time yɛyɛ technical skills yɛnya akonya etumi kokɔ that shops na nyɛ I'm not talking about only automobiles time na ye wo companies bi to say ye wo companies na omo ye furnitures na omo wo Ghana na ye wo account bi to say account furnitures wo na ye wo na ba ku bi wo odoko Pogas na ye wo Pogas furnitures na other furniture companies and they Ghana at that time. The government did not merge with them for us to go for training and as a workshop. See who? And unti yenya ope no say ye beye that's carpentry. Inti dia yeni man say carpenter ni but dan so obeye kunya yetena so. But esan say na technology bia yan fan chere say hwe ye machine wo ho a say ye programming na no anka say twa bia type way and size way open star way na yama. I mean ye nya sa chance no enu ntine ye de enim ne say obi a carpenter obodan so na me ko school so me person me ko school me ye ni bibi de then na me ko sunya dan so bo ye nyes a chance me who say look a time will come a dance upon and yes wo be kwa kodira so de ha ma bubo say ye hyehyɛ ye wo form machine ye wo form no ma omo afro so ahyehyɛ so what you say ye nyes a chance no nti the way we are say kona ye mpanifo mo de mu sebe I to say nyansa no kitikiti bi o Ghana for mpanifo nyansa no aye ne ketewa na kwa te say akoko simu gire kitikiti bi ate so de machine na de hwa ayi mo kan say ayi ni bi na ehwe na wo hwa sa machine de kra hwa wo hwa wo hu Ghana for mpanifo adwen say wo ntumi initiate bibia betumi aboa nkola ne daache nemum ubetumi ama omosua Chinese language na ye English language na ankasa no yesua ede ni nya free mu akole bia sie efi wa Ghana emu 60% eka brofo ni omomba ka brofo oma awufo na ankasa na ankasa no nkola ni ntumi nka 60% of Ghana awufo yefie emu 60% nkola wo ho na aka brofo nko a awofo ne kasa mother tongue na nkasa no yentumi nka upehu enkreni pa ye fra no nilante ama nilante aje ne mba brofo nko a nkran no onka ensumi ke nkredi ne dane so be fra no atanyo bi nkredi dane so nkran no ntumi nka churo ontu na kakura wontumi anka na churo inti brofo na ye kana ti yesen brofo na ye kana emu ahe ina yedi nya adwuma ya ka brofo a yese yesua brofo enya brofo nim na nya adwuma mo de Chinese aba say as a Chinese no eye minim die benya gomu ampenifo muntumi ntrasin fast adwene say the way we are say kono say enya kasa wo ye me enhwe fe ni makwe fe money makwe ye na menhwe the technological ideas to sit behind a computer and program something. That is what is happening. AI. So what I say, and your me koso, I mean the system is working under that AI. No, let the children have access. Technology. Chinese remo. Mini ni Chinese remo ba fe. Mini. Edi na Chinese language na ebe ya ma yen. Hwe nkola omu gina ho wi. Me say onyi no. Na hwe the environment and the atmosphere. Opa ene odo a wode yes ade wi. Ebe de na ubetwi ne free ho onyi a. Oye automobile engineer. We ye friend fita o. We ye friend fita o. Your friend automobile engineer. and it is a car na can you break it down na mo ntumi nya you people call the company in the foreign land, then they will sit behind the computer and tell you what to do, what has caused for the car not moving. They will just sit behind the computer, program it, do it for you for then yeah na waji musika opejiska we enye fita we enye fita we automobile engineer she them me say she environment na hwe atmosphere no nti onyi no e woni trim engine na omo hihye wo ha ye car engine ina omo hihye nti na Bible say kire akwala no ekwan no mfa so no nyi a wantwe ne ho emfiri ho nti ogina engine block ho a wahihye ye ne den a onsa no ebe den na we obeka chense onko ye doctor obeye onye dia ne say wonya control over the engine nti dia hia ne say mo de mo man the equipment the obi person mo de mo man that equipment na obe use no well tools no obe use no mo man ingredient no obe mo man ingredient obe use the anua engine no obeye we what no kwatena officer ontena so ati ase wonya openo ama edwuma no fitine nkola prem ntinka we bi na Ghana yepe we bi na nka Ghana yepe ntimo de mo sisa dan ya ma yese yenkotrem nsu ya me ntrem nsu ade na ka mo si the same thing wo compound so ho motor machines mo de engine block mo nto engine block mienu pe engine block mienu pe engine mienu pe na mom fix it wo ho how the engine start, how you can open it mo de mo nya sa keke na mo nya mo workshop e wo compound so there's no need for you to travel into obi owo yemfa say nankpanduri anase obi owo achime he anase ekurabiase no need not to travel from that place to Accra and I say the central part of Kumasi to go for workshop or whatever. Mo dia mo nye mo chere nkola no. Mo the equipment. Mo sisa dan ye den and not dan ye si go say nkola enkotrem nsu ade. Mo see the same thing one chain. Mo fanya workshop. Mo dia mo nto engine ba ko pe. E man nkola no. Mo fa teacher. Ye chere nkola no. Nti time na it between Chinese na kasa time na mo de sua how to assemble engines so ati ase ntinka yenya anase a time will come as ankole ya na omo benya sa open say enia yembie companies Sankole ya nanka those foreigners neba no mu bebie omo assembly plant near the osha to omo so say we have automobile engineers. So as you are coming to build your plant here, make sure you employ our workers, our people, because they have the certificate, they know the work is there, and yet only the paper. Because yen ni munti omo bebie adwuma then omo de omo kuro mu fo dodo na na eba ye dia omo befa no ye dia ne ye eyi siwo ha dream the way we are say kono si ansesa ye ne oma me say ye beye ewiase ntoso sa na nyame de aba she nkola trying to build something. Oh, why a moving object? Into omo de fiti say no omo de akọ workshop. Then they start to build assemble engines like this. Omo free hasiya. Then they go to this side. Oh, Simo into edidi so sa where you big engines so you can see. Into comparing this Toyota, comparing this to Chinese language minister into woda Same nkwala ni kosua Chinese language no woda and now we nkrom Chinese language mu. Can't we think for once? Can't Ghanaians think for once? Say yenya de pa ba ko pe ema ye nkofo. Yenya ade ba ko pe. Yenya ade ba ko pa ye ma no be benefit ye nuan ketu anom be benefit wo mu ba ko pe for once. In the education sector, we are just hovering, just moving here and there. Nan kole kuta books wo mechi sa usha kole ba ku book a odi ko school obonechi a as American sojourner or ko Iran. What is wrong with us? People, a dear ni ye how, a dear ni a dadrin, a dear ni a dream, a dear ina yama yenyansa ne hi ayeke me say yenyansa Ghana ni nyansa Ghana penifo nyansa aka kitikiti te say akokɔ simu gire because say ase obi a wonko school mpo ohun se ade we enwa eno ina Ghana peni Ghana politician be ye we hu sa ade we emfa mpuntu obi ama enso ano na Ghana politician obeye inti dia wonko school na wonim nyansa no what predict ade we this thing is not going to help na wa go school eno na wo ya na wo nyansa ewe he lack of knowledge we are perishing. The lack of knowledge that our leaders, the reason why are perishing, no. They are not ready to open their mind for the country to grow. We have lawyers, we have engineers, we have PhD holders. Hey, Ghana, NDC MPP. Na de bia ye lake ye wo fom ye de ne se yenkra yenkola e kwan a ye de omo fa so and obehwe mu no omo kro mu kasa ina ye le kire omo de Chinese fu a Chinese language ye le kire omo de say Japanese Japan in ye kire omo de kasa no ye de kire omo say Korea fu a Korea kasa ne ye de kire omo de say German fu a German language in ye de kire omo de adan inti yenyansa na aka kituo bi sa akokosi mu gire no ye mfa kituo bi nso nka ho ye mpese adi bi beka ho ye decide say ye mfa bi nka ho oh Ghana mpenifuo Minister of Education in your time at this point and at this time in this world, teaching a foreign language in your country, what benefit would the country get from Chinese language? Benefit my Ghana. Obi nkase sebi adisua nyu nemum de moma yesu no ana de moma ye manesua no emfa bibia amro man no emfa bibia amro man Ghana o and then na money Chinese for our business relationship, our business communication. If tomorrow you decide say now omo decide say omo ni ye bi omo ne yen enye business bi ma, what else? Where are they going to take the Chinese language from? And even with their businesses, how many Ghanaians are going to have business with the Chinese man? Hey, idea sempa na yempeni for mutumi ya le tantantan sa no. Minister of Education, can't you introduce anything better for the children? Can't you change anything? Can't you introduce anything? Can't you implement anything in our education system? You can't. The only thing you can do is to introduce Chinese language, as President Kufuor also changed JSS to JHS. Sunshine news and vibes in here. Unya video bi anu ashama ye. Enya ye fese ye beka sase yo. And sometimes who the future of Ghana na ra ho se oye Ghana ni. Ya min sure man kronkron Ghana. Unya video bi a just share it. If you subscribe to your YouTube channel, na notification no fa boso. If you bet me atro comment aba, ye beka ma. Once again, ya min sure man kronkron Ghana. Se nyame besa ehu ya bobo ehira ye dia ye hwe cause o say odi bibia ma yen aka se de yen di be ye adwuma eno na yimpenifo no o mama nyansa no ayese akoko musigire no kiti bi o de microscope kra hwehwe a medamase